And these are the ingredients. So we have a liquid, a brown liquid. Then you have a gel-like, looks like gel. Then we have perfume. You can choose your preferred perfume. Then we have something looks like powder, white powder. Then we have color. I chose blue. We have this looks like sugar or salt. And then we have another one looks like salt. I don't know, but these are the ingredients. And of course water, and you need a bucket and a wooden stick. I'll be making up to 10 liters. Yes, these ingredients makes 10 liters. So let's get started. So in our bucket, we'll add the salt and the gel, then mix all together until you get a smooth texture. At this point, you add the other salt, the white powder and the brown liquid. You continue stirring until you get a smooth paste. So at this point the mixture is smooth and I will be adding water kidogo kidogo up to 10 liters until it dissolves, and then we'll be adding our color and perfume later on. Just like that, our 10-liter soap is ready, and this is a multi-purpose soap. You can use it to clean everywhere apart from your body, I guess. So you can share it with your friend. It can be a business idea and save money. So it's beautiful, and I know you will try it out. If you do, let me know how yours turned out. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.